What's up? Adam and Tom Show official. We're back together again to give you some entertainment. We're gonna make something delicious tonight: beer ice cream.
And to shock all our viewers, I am now drinking Natty Light. I have moved on from the Keystone.
I said I was disappointed.
We lost a sponsor.
I missed the Keystone.
We lost our major sponsor because of that problem.
So you're gonna want to start off with 3 cups of half and half.
So you don't use any milk, or is that what kind of like the half and half?
That's the dairy that we need for the ice cream. There's a special technique. We need just the yolk. So you take the egg, you
that's interesting.
crack it in half.
Yeah, I don't trust myself doing that.
And then you take and you like pass the yolk back and forth, so that way it gets rid of all the white, and you just boop.
Oh.
Okay, I got a little out of hand.
Yeah. But I'm just holding it in there. Oh no! Don't fall. You might have some of my. Okay, I think I got most of it out. Oh.
All right, that's fine. That's fine.
Oh, that's gross, bro.
That'll work. All right, so I'm just gonna do a little crank of salt there.
Is that what that is? Is that just like fancy for salt?
It's fancy for salt.
Pink salt crystals.
Pink Himalayan sea salt.
What do you got there? Just sugar?
Sugar.
Hey, Adam, you know what kind of sugar I like?
Brown sugar.
Brown sugar.
You know what? I was thinking about we could put a little bit of brown sugar in.
Sounds good.
Brown sugar and beer. We'll see how it turns out.
You always make sure you gotta have the lid on.
Because this
part.
thing's like, I don't know, it's got like a
lot of
big
power.
ass motor on it. It'll be on the ceiling.
It's funny. I use one of these at work all the time. This is what I make like
lab margaritas at work or something?
No, that's what people always say to me. I come out and I'm like putting chemicals in that and they're like, you make them up? Because we use this as like, we use a blender to make like our lab batches of glaze.
Typically what you do with an ice cream mix, it's got raw eggs in it. You don't want to eat raw eggs because you might get salmonella. I don't know, I roll the dice every now and then. I eat some cookie dough, brownie mix, whatever. The blender itself will heat this up to the point of where that stuff will be pasteurized. Typically, you could use a double boiler or something like that. But I happen to have a Vitamix, so we're gonna crank this puppy up for 5 minutes. The only bad part is it's loud as hell. Okay, so yeah, this thing is so powerful that this comes out.
It's hot, bro.
Steamy. This is just, it's an ice cream base. It's all chilled down. We're ready to make some ice cream. So you need an ice cream maker, which I happen to have. Luckily, this is one of those kinds where you don't need salt, you don't need ice, you just stick it in the freezer. Boom. You have an ice cream maker. Okay, first thing though, we should add some special ingredients to this.
Ooh.
This is your show, Tom, so you can do whatever you want.
Alright, that should be enough of that.
Okay, so you got a little bit of beer in there. We're making some beer and brown sugar ice cream.
You ever heard about brown sugar, Grant?
Yeah.
You know what Shane's dad said about brown sugar? What? Nothing wrong with a little bit of brown sugar. Shane's dad said that years ago to me.
I think you got enough beer in there?
There we go. There we go. There we go. Gotta add the yeast. Alright, we're not making bread.
So let's crank this up. It's gonna be another 30 minutes. Alright, gonna have some ice cream coming up.
We're gonna go finish watching some wrestling.
Adam and Tom Show, the movie that's gonna debut on the Poopcock Network.
We're gonna do the Poopcock.
This?
Yeah.
And he lost his marbles over there. He about pisses.
How many beers did you drink?
Ooh, that's.
See, it's still a little like soupy. I got nuts. You want some nuts?
These nuts.
It's just sprinkles.
There you go.
I was just gonna say, you just gonna do it right over the floor.
It's not bad.
No, it's good.
Not 100% complete frozen. You know what? You make your own ice cream, Slubnuts. What do you let my Grant? You don't even know what you're talking about.
See it? It slaps. It's
Look,
good.
you're still eating ice cream. Why would it taste like peanut
I
butter?
put that brown sugar in there and some beer.
That's what the brown sugar.
We just figured an agreement with peanut butter. Brown sugar and Natty Light.
Sorry. Cut.
Damn it!
It's the dairy.
Maybe give somebody a heads up on Oh.
Beer ice cream. That's gonna be the new TikTok trend. Bussin'.
I'm concerned.
You like talking to the Lord?
I think it went through my ears.
Wow.
My balance is a little bit off. I think it tasted very, very good.
It's probably.
I would give it probably out of a 5. I'd probably give it a 4.9, or I mean a 4.1 out of 5. Want to let everybody know about my new do, which it's not good. It's just new.
Show me
So
forehead.
outro.
Yeah.
What is that? Thank you for everybody watching.
The bell. The bell.
The bell. What, you ding the bell?
Yeah.
What is that?
So you
I'm
get
not very
alerts.
tech savvy,
You get
but
alerts.
yeah, alerts. So as for the Adam and Tom show, I'm gonna like and subscribe, and
Ring the,
thank you for everybody watching.
the bell. The bell.
The bell. What, you ding the bell?
Yeah.
What is that?
So you
I'm
get
not very
alerts.
tech savvy,
You get
but
alerts.
yeah, alerts. You guys all have a good night, and thank you very much. Appreciate it.